हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं सब लोग? मजे में ना? वेरी गुड, बिकॉज एग्जाम्स आर पोस्टपोन, लिटिल बिट फ्री. टेक अ गैप ऑफ 4 to 5 days. It's okay, but just go through my video. Give just 10 minutes. You can easily handle one or two questions. Okay? So today I'm back with OC, Standard 12th, outsourcing. Name of the topic is outsourcing. Very important question. 10 marks. Okay. Now what is outsourcing? Let us understand in some easy words. Outsourcing means, suppose I have an automobile industry, that is two-wheelers, four-wheelers manufacturing industry. Okay. And almost 500 workers are working under me. How many workers? 500 workers are working. Then I have to handle the production. I have to handle their sanitation part. I have to handle their catering part. Yeah, because most of the companies are working in 3 shifts. So I have to handle all these things. It's a very difficult task. So other option available is, most of the companies go for outsourcing. Means what? The catering part they handle, they ask to somebody else. These are specialized agencies to whom catering contract is given. Sanitation part, contract is handled by somebody else. So these are special or expert agencies, they do their work. So what is the benefit of this? जैसे कि कैटरिंग पार्ट एक को दे दिया, सैनिटेशन पार्ट एक को दे दिया, so I can focus on my work, right? That is a core work, I can say. Concentrate on my work. So obviously my production will increase, my productivity will increase, and my efficiency will increase. Correct? Okay. One more example I will give you. Wedding. In wedding, that hall owner, he gives hall on rent. So he is interested only in that part. But we want decoration also, that flower decoration, the lighting, everything we want. So what does he do? He gives that contract to somebody else. This is outsourcing. Catering contract given to somebody else. This is outsourcing. So that his work is only to give that hall for a rent for that whole day or 5 hours or 2 hours, whatever case may be. Okay. So these are the examples of outsourcing. That canteen facility or wedding or any party arrangement, anniversary celebrations, birthday celebrations, right? That party organizers are there, they handle different work. Now my burden is reduced, owner's burden is reduced. Fine. Okay. One most important point to be noted is that person, that agency will employ their employees and they will pay salary to them, not me. My burden is reduced, my monetary burden is reduced. Okay. मतलब उनकी सैलरी कौन देगा? वो आदमी देगा, not me. उनका other compensation or bonus, everything is handled by him because they are not my employee, they are their employees. Sanitation में भी same है, wedding में भी same है, everywhere the case is same. Catering में भी same, that canteen facility, same thing. What condition do I put is, the only one condition, provide good quality food to my employees. Because 500 workers will do breakfast, lunch with you, under you, right? Okay, I think most of the part I have explained. We are going to understand the advantages and what are the disadvantages. Now, I have prepared one word for you so that it will be the short form of advantages and disadvantages. Word for advantages is very easy. Silk. S-I-L-K. Silk. C-C-E. Okay. Now what is that? As you are aware that short forms make you easy to remember all these points. कि whenever any question comes, तो लिखना है रफ में सिल्क CCE एंड एवरी पॉइंट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम दैट. हाँ, फर्स्ट पॉइंट सिल्क का S से स्टार्ट होता है. S मीन्स द स्टिम्युलेट्स द एम्प्लॉयमेंट. हाउ? See, I have given the contract to the canteen agencies. That is the outsourced part. Obviously, I am providing employment to him and all the people working under him. Right? Suppose he has employed 20 people under him. तो indirectly I am providing employment ना. तो मेरी तो मूछें कैसे हो गई? Stiff हो गई है. मेरी collar stiff हो गई because I have provided employment. Okay. Okay. So that is the first point. Now point number 2, investment is saved. How my investment is saved? My burden is reduced. Na? He will make a payment. He will give the bonus. He is going to handle everything, not me. मेरे को क्या है, मुझे सिर्फ कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है मेरे काम के ऊपर. Okay, so investment burden is also reduced. That was my second point. Okay, now third point is increase in the productivity. Obviously, whenever you are relieved from other burdens, you can focus on that part. Your productivity and efficiency obviously increase. I will give you one example. Suppose there is so much of household work, right? If I am going to do the whole work, it is a burden on me. So what do? I employ 1 or 2 maids. They will do that work. For example, washing clothes or washing utensils. Obviously, at least that much burden I can keep aside and I can focus on my household work. Right? So same example I am going to carry forward with industry or company also. He can concentrate on his work. As a result, his productivity level increases. Production also increases because he can focus. जहाँ पे focus होता है, concentrate कर पाते हो, तो productivity level is always high. Fine. Proceeding to next point, that is the knowledge sharing. Knowledge sharing means I start getting knowledge from different people because I come in contact with so many people. Through outsourcing agencies, I come in contact with so many people. So I can share information with them. I can get a lot of information from them. Even I can share my information with them. So that was my next point. After that, next part is cost saving, which I have already explained. How cost is saved? Because I don't have to pay salary to him. I don't have to pay bonus to him because that part is handled by him. Right? So my cost is obviously saved. Next point is the core process. Core means focus. See, there are 2 processes, core process and supporting process. Core process means the main work which I handle, and supporting process means that canteen, that sanitation part, that is a supporting process. मैं अगर वो सब देखना चाहूँ कि मुझे सब आता है, मैं सब देखूंगा, then it becomes difficult for me. It difficult for anyone. कितना भी intelligent हो, he cannot handle the whole thing. He requires some people under him, but actually these people are not now working under him. Because this work is given to these outsourced agencies. They are working independently. Okay? तो जो भी उस कैंटीन का प्रॉफिट हो वो किसे मिलेगा? उसको मिलेगा. Only some part rent is shared by me. Fine? Because I have provided him the place. Otherwise the remaining profit is enjoyed by him. Okay? Are you getting all? Very good. Now, almost all advantages are over. Now, let us focus on disadvantages. In disadvantages also, I have prepared one short form for you. TELL. T-E-L-L. Every point starts with that. T से एक point, E से एक point, L से और L से. All these points are starting with the word I have given. TELL. Point number 1. T, that is a threat to the confidential information. Now, what happens This outside agency, that person regularly comes to your campus, company campus. Obviously, he knows many details about your company. There are chances that he may give these details to outsiders, right? That is a danger. He may share some secrets with outsiders. That's a danger. Okay, so that is one of the drawback. कि outside outsourcing का drawback क्या है? The threat of leakage of information. Leakage मतलब gossip बताता है, and not only gossip part is okay, but it may prove harmful to your company. But there is no option. He has to handle that. He has to handle that problem because he cannot handle all these things, right? Okay, next point is ethical issue. Ethical issue means that sometimes the quality of food is not maintained. Sometimes caterers may delay to give the food items. जैसे कि एम्प्लॉयज आके बैठे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट टेबल पर और ब्रेकफास्ट ही रेडी नहीं है, उत्तप्पा ही रेडी नहीं है. बहुत बार होता है ना, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर उत्तप्पा बट इट्स नॉट देयर because they don't understand the importance of employees time. So that is the worst thing because they don't consider time. Quality and time many times sacrificed in this. Okay, so that is the drawback number 2. Now drawback number 3 is lack of customers focus. Lack of customers focus means many times they handle 3 or more projects. These outsourcing agencies are there, na, they are not working under you only. They are handling 3 to 4 companies many times. So what happens? They are not interested in the customers. They are interested only in money part, right? So 4 companies they are handling. It is difficult for them to handle only our company. Okay, so they don't consider ki what does this customer likes, what they don't like, nothing, because they are not interested in our customer, they are just interested in money. Fine, this was my point number 3. Point number 4, the quality is many times it's not maintained. There is one reason behind it. Many times why quality is not maintained, because many times these canteen charges are very less. Do you know these charges are many times 20 rupee or 25 rupees per plate? So it is very difficult for the caterer to handle that within 25 rupees because he has to purchase raw material for this, and for that he is only getting 25 rupees. So many times the quality is not maintained because of that. Okay. Now my advantages and disadvantages, everything is over. I will just read everything for you. Right? I hope you understood the concept of outsourcing. I'll give you one more example which is not given in the textbook itself. The example is the garbage collection by municipality. See, many times what happens, municipality employs many people to collect the garbage, but the quantity of garbage increases is such a extent that their manpower falls short. So what they do, they give this contract to some outsourcing agencies. So all these outsourcing agencies do that collection of garbage work, and for that outsourcing agencies will make a payment to them, not municipality. Municipality will not make payment. Outsourcing agencies will make a payment. म्यूनसिपालिटी आउटसोर्सिंग एजेंसी को कुछ लमसम अमाउंट देती है, बाकी का सब कौन देखती है? आउटसोर्सिंग एजेंसीज. कलेक्शन ऑफ गार्बेज एंड एवरीथिंग इज हैंडल्ड बाय देम. फाइन. नाउ व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ म्यूनसिपालिटी? कि म्यूनसिपालिटी डज नॉट हैव टू पे एनी सैलरी टू देम, does not have to pay any bonus to them, plus whatever facilities are given to regular employees, these facilities are not given to them. तो in short, पैसे बच गए. क्या फायदा हुआ? पैसे बच गए. That is the most important thing, right? So you can give this example also because this practically happens. कि म्यूनसिपालिटी को आदमी कम पड़ जाते हैं, इसलिए वो आउटसोर्सिंग का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दूसरों को दे देती है। इसलिए क्या होता है, काम का काम भी तमाम होता है और पैसे भी बच जाते हैं, राइट। एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं कि आउटसोर्सिंग क्यों करना है। बिकॉज जेनो काम तेनो थाय, बीजा कोई कर ना पाए। मतलब इसका मतलब है कि एक्सपर्ट एजेंसी है, उनको काम करने दो और हमें सिर्फ फोकस करना है हमारे कंपनी के प्रोडक्शन पर। ओके, I think everything I have cleared. Now I'm going to read for you. That's it. Okay, let us read. Before that, what? Yes, like me, subscribe me, and share me. Okay, chalo, let us see you. Yes, can you see outsourcing? I think this distance is convenient. See, this is a word I have prepared, silk CCE. Outsourcing is a process of contracting business functions to some specialized agencies, that is canteen facilities, sanitation, etc. First, it stimulates the employment opportunity. It provides employment opportunity to specialized agencies who are working under them. ओके, एम्प्लॉयमेंट मतलब जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज देते हैं आउटसाइडर्स को। फाइन, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड एवरीथिंग, आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर सेव्ड। आउटसोर्सिंग, in outsourcing the investments are saved because outsourcing partners handles this part. He will make a payment of salary, he will give bonus, he will pay everything, right? So company does not have to focus, company does not have to focus only on production part. Increase in the productivity is our next point. Productivity मतलब specialized agency की वजह से production increase होता है। Fine, I've explained all the points. I think no need to explain. Just take a screenshot. Yes, and this also. If any doubt, you can ask me afterwards on WhatsApp. Fine? Yes. I hope outsourcing part is clear. What? Yes? Very good. Chalo. I'm taking your leave. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. What's that? Yes, that's a secret. And take a break of 4 to 5 days. It's okay. Bye.